Mic check. No. Going to the downside. Fine, looks like it broke below the cloud. Made a fair value gap, touched it, now it's coming back down. Should get a little drift. Back and forth, back and forth. I wonder if it's gonna go up here first, but let's see. Ooh, and right up to that spot. It closed above it, huh? Still think it goes down.
Order filled.
Just looking at the Fed reports to see.
Restreams, upload and stream is how podcasters, fashion and beauty streamers, fitness coaches, even business professionals grow their channels. Upload your video to Restream and we'll stream it live to YouTube, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, wherever you want. The algorithms love live videos and engagement, so you get more views, more subscribers, and yup, more money. So let Restream get to work while freeing you.
So this guy's gonna speak, and then Trump signs proclamations. Trump participates in summer sorry. Okay, so 1500. He could be speaking at any time. We don't know. Really need this to crack through. But if you look at it, we're not sure if, you know, it still didn't make. If it starts going below this, then we can confirm that it's making a lower low. But it is getting tight. Doit, doit, doit. Alright, we're back below this, so I'm assuming this is gonna go. I think it's gonna crack. If we start going below this yellow, then we're good. But it's definitely chopping around here. Because this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this new pathway happening. If it starts cracking above it, then no good.
more customers from your ads cheaper? Do you want to make 15 and 20% more profit from your ads? Hirist will do this for you, or you do not pay for it. Let me repeat. You copy and paste our code on your site that fixes your ads with print tracking and AI optimization. You will make 15 and 20% more, or you do not pay for it. Now, I already guaranteed this result. Let me prove it. If you click this ad, you'll be taken to a page with endless testimonials and results and case studies verifying what I just said. Not just from nobodies either. You will see the media buyers for Tony Robbins who doubled a sales funnel using this. You'll see the Playboy media buying team.
All right, starting to break down. Looks like if we can close below this, we're good. So we're gonna break through this, and then it should start coming down.
Their advertising and swearing by it. You will see
And then we might get a bounce.
the influences in business right now using it, like the media buying teams behind Grant Cardone.
I'm seeing this too, though.
David, Alex Hormozi, bodybuilding.com, Tier
Get
1.
this commercial off. Something like this. As soon as it corrects this, it should fall. Diamond. Diamond in the rough. How'd you guys do today? We're up like 500 between Top Step X and this. We took a little break. We probably would have killed this. This is when I got off right here. We're waiting for this drop. And then I had to get off, go work out. Going up. Maybe it's the wrong pathway. Maybe it's this. You motherfucker. Let's see if it breaks this high and what it does. I don't see any I still think it falls because it broke below this high, and then another high here.
Down in the comments, just wait a minute and hear me out. We all love gravel bikes. They're fantastic all-rounders you can use on a variety
Crack through
of
it.
terrain.
It's gonna
If you
go.
only have one bike for
Just
road
give it a
and
minute.
off-road, it would be a gravel bike. So with the Grizzle on, we set out to deliver all that's great about our non-electric Grizzle, but amplify it.
Just give it a minute. Mic check.
Mic check.
is all this shit? I'm trying to get non-copyright shit because I don't know. I'm getting beat up over here. Getting beat up with these stuff.
We get you a prop firm payout guaranteed, and you don't pay us a single penny until you get paid. Let's face it.
Very slow. So I'm thinking stalling. Probably gonna do something like this, maybe. Let's see, I'm gonna see if, how would this had played out here. It's the only fair value, no. Nada. Nada. I think you had this one. That would have been beautiful. Let's see. It should start coming down. Alright. I knew it. Just give it some time. I knew it. But we just don't know where this is going to be. This is the pullback zone that can just possibly bounce. And then we could just keep playing the bounce play. But we'll have to see. We have to see. Was that 771? I gotta change it on my top set. That's what I'm asking. Could we break below, retest, come back down?
In a crisis, you run toward the fight.
In Congress, Mikey was among Musk's most
I
vocal
don't
critics
want
and praised
to
by
hear
independent
this in
news
the
sources for going above
background.
and beyond ethics rules. As governor, she'll take on Trump to protect
Skip
our
it.
economy and lower costs.
New Jersey will not be pushed around. Not on my watch.
Actors, we can make you believe we know what we're doing, when in fact, we do not.
Okay, we went right back up. Ooh, this is fighting. All right, we're right back into this the yellow here. Didn't even hit the 50 yet. This is getting a little sloppy. That's what's going on. Is somebody talking still? Alright, we broke this top. Let's see if there's a fair value gap here. Got 30 seconds. Stop, motherfucker. Alright, crack below this. I'm fucking going deep. What is that? 789s?
Order filled.
You don't think it's coming down anymore? I don't know, we'll see. I mean, it is ripping up and down in the 5, but It's got to go past this yellow box. And this 5 here, if it goes below this, this is where it's going to get real fun. Thank you, Schmack, for a follow. It's a battle in here. I needed to break through this yellow. They could bounce back and forth a little bit. Give this a next stop, 795s.
This is the sport of love.
Looking for a broker that can match your drive and ambition? Don't settle for second best. Discover an
Powers on Discord. Did you hold on to that profit? The short signals actually got pretty good here. We would have one good winner here. The other ones would have been no good yet. Maybe you could have did that one too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This one would have been a loser. So you would have been profitable just doing that. Bow, now, now. Sup? I am back. What up? Oh, you got your iPad? Sweet.
Restreams, upload and stream is how podcasters, fashion and beauty streamers, fitness coaches, even business professionals grow their channels. Upload your video to Restream and we'll stream it live to YouTube, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, wherever you want. The algorithms love live videos and engagement, so you get more views.
It's gonna go down, down, down.
So let Restream get to
Someone just came into TikTok and said I'm cooked. I giggle. I giggle. A lot of those times I want those people to come back like, hey, you were right, man. You were right. Won't break this. Won't break it. See if we can get a better pattern here. A bigger one. A bigger. A better. A better. We do have this. And we have this. This is a lot. You see all these yellow boxes? This shit is resistant heavy. But I'm thinking it's gonna, well, if it squeezes up, it squeezes up. But if it squeezes through here, it should plummet down pretty nice. It might go down, bounce up, and then go down, but I think we just need a little patience on this one. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
It's not easy being a star, but fame has its perks, like Growing Years organic milk with key nutrients and developed with pediatricians to fuel a toddler's greatest hits. Growing Years by Horizon Organic.
This week, we're hosting a free trading and investing workshop right here in Ridgefield Park. Inside this workshop, you'll learn that you don't need to be a Wall Street pro to trade like one. Instead of getting a finance degree, what if you could figure out when and where
like a tiger
were buying and selling, so you can place trades and investments alongside them instead of against them. It's all about locating their financial footprints, and that's exactly what we'll show you in our free workshop. It's a true breakthrough for knowing when to buy and sell. Over the last 25 years, we've taught this approach to over 219,000 students across the world with a 97% student satisfaction rating. Our talented instructors come from a variety of backgrounds, including former hedge fund managers, floor traders, brokers, and more.
We shall see. Sorry, my son came home. Well, it's either gonna go up or it's gonna go down. We're at that choke point here. Hmm. Not looking good. Think this is gonna be a slow grind up. Could. I feel like it needed to touch this, but I don't know if it really cares. It's getting smaller and smaller. It's crisscrossing. Give or take, this is going to be close. Oh, look at that. Needs to pump through though. You can close behind this. This would be fantastic. And then close behind the next one, and then we're fucking going. Here's the first one.
This bike's so fun, man. I'm Alex Briggs here at Canyon to talk you through our new e-gravel bike, the Grizzlon.
Order filled.
Oh, wow, daddy.
Is an e-gravel bike. Now, down in the comments.
Sorry, Powers.
And hear me out.
I keep going back to, oh, daddy.
Fantastic all-rounders you can use on a variety of terrain. If you could only have one bike for road and off-road, it would be a gravel bike. So with the Grizzlon, we set out to deliver.
I really need to crack through this though. This is a huge one.
Amplify it with the latest compact assist e-bike motors.
But it might want to come back up and then come back down.
There aren't many bikes that combine genuine all-terrain, map-expanding capability.
What the fuck is up with these damn commercials? So it's gonna take out whatever. It needs to take out one of these. If so, it can fucking come right down. Here's that line in the sand. Boom, baby. Who? Where's that fucker on TikTok who said I'm cooked? right into it. We got to see how it reacts here, though. But oh, Gio, my bad. I read it wrong. My bad. I have so many people come in here and tell me like I'm wrong all the time, so I just assume. I just got to see how it reacts here, though, because it could start moving back up. Let's look at the 5. So right here is where it's going to be the line in the sand. If this comes up here, we got 3 minutes left. So this can easily come up and close here. Then I would still need to think about which way to go. But if you look at a longer term, on a 5 minute, it literally hit the 61% top of this yellow box, and it bounced up. Daddy knows. So it's very strong to be resilient here. And it's been doing this the whole time, so it can easily start coming back up. We got 2 minutes left. This is very strong. Very strong. That was kind of like a liquidity grab. Yep. All right. We're going to close this out. Oh, shit. That went really far up. This is... I wish this was a little bit bigger. I do wish that was bigger. But we're going to try just about one.
Order filled.
And this is not a guess, but it can get a little risky here. But flag, Parma indicator, break above, closed above the fair value gap, making it inverted to the upside. This could be the beginning. And then you look at the 5. Look at the 5. It's above the cloud. We'll see what happens here. It's got 1 minute left to close above. It can still come down, like wick a little bit, but I'm thinking it's going to go back up now. Very strong on the 5. It's Wick City. Wick City all the time. If I can get more confirmation, we'll go up a little bit more. Trading, thanks for the follow. You the best. So this strategy is so I've been trading for a long time, over 10 years. This strategy is a little bit newer to me, the inversion one. So I'm trying to decide where to take profit on these. But we're right into the yellow, so like we could take it if we wanted to. I think I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
Still practicing where to take that profit, but it seemed like that's a great zone to keep doing it recently. Or VWAP, but VWAP is all the way down here, so that doesn't work. That doesn't work. How you guys doing today in your trades? As soon as I got off to go work out, I felt like it got really easy to trade. But here's your V-shaped Trump market. Get used to this. Bottom out, roar up. It's gonna do that constantly. Constantly. If there was a way to figure out, I mean, there's ways of figuring it out, but actually my flag fucking called the bottom here, which is kind of cool. But if you can find with these flags the huge roar downs with the break above this is usually the beginning to V-shaped recoveries of his markets. You don't see this in other markets, just when this guy's in office. Hard to trade at the same time, though. The expression used to be 8 years ago. I've been trading a long time. Was buy the dip and enjoy the rip. It wasn't even sell the rip. It was enjoy the rip. Ninja, thanks for the follow. You the best. We're gonna see how this acts. Right now, I feel like I'm in limbo here. I don't know which way it's gonna go in between here. If you guys are just following, this is my indicator. I coded this. Usually the signals are amazing, but it's been really hard to use recently. But you can still use the indicator to tell you if it's going to be choppy. So gray means choppy. It doesn't know what direction it wants. Since we're in the middle here, let's do a 5-second review if we just did signals. No signals here, so we're just going to jump right to the first one. 2 seconds, not even. Alright, there's a buy. We get in. Stop losses behind the cloud. Oh, you can do a little bit more than that. Alright, so the first loss. Alright, we got our first short signal. You can take them. Sometimes you can wait for the second one. We were in this morning, the entire thing, by the way. We did the 1-to-1. And it went right to it. So this is invalid because the price went above. Got another flag here. It does not come back down though. It just keeps dwindling up. So we're going to leave it alone. It's already 1140 here on that. Okay, still really rough. Would have kept you out the entire time. We got our first short. We don't take the first one. We're going to see how it reacts. All right, we got our second one though. Okay. We're in. Stop loss behind. All right, it's oversold. I would have got out probably there. Let's see what happens. I was zooming too quick. All right, so that's when you're out. But I 100% would have been on these orange. No good, that signal. Second one's still no good. It's going above.
People everywhere are recommending GoodRx.
My neighbor showed me the app. It's helped me save on my kids' allergy pills.
GoodRx
Got your first buy signal.
Americans everywhere are sharing the savings.
If you could justify it for some reason, you could do it, but just for test purposes, we're going to zoom through this.
Download
Okay, we
the
got
free
our buy. Stop loss below. Another buy. Okay, you can take out 2 if you want. All right, is that close below? Okay, doesn't matter. Take us out. It's a rough market so far. But you can see that my loss is not that much. I'm up $26. When the market really decides to go and you do this, you can make fucking a shit ton of money. So in between, when we don't have signals, we do our pullback zones. Okay, 66% win rate on basically a shit market. So not too bad, honestly, $26. Yeah, a lot of chop, Geo, I agree. So flag. This would have been the thing. Break above. And look at this. Double tap. We missed this one. I should have seen it. What I mean by this, so you see, we're just going to do this. So right here, this is that low, and then you got this fair value gap here. You see how it breaks above it? So we would have been in. You can always wait to see if this is going to be the big one. Came back down, and it rejects it and goes up. So this might continue up. Might continue up. It's a good guess here to take a
Order filled.
scalp. In and out very fast. Nothing crazy.
Restreams, upload and stream is how podcasters, fashion
Nada crazy. Nada.
coaches, even business
Get them both. Take profit. Top step X didn't hit yet.
Order
Alright, we're in.
filled.
We're in. Daddy's in. Now this area here, probably if we do the 30-second, is on there. It needs to break this and close and keep going. So probably break this high here. Would send it up further probably. Very choppy though. But I don't care if it's choppy. As long as it has a little bit of a follow through, I'm good. Because we can keep trading these back and forth. We can keep doing the bounces. Don't buy out of me. It's when it doesn't go to the area and it reverses like the other way and then back the other way, back this way. It needs to at least touch my areas, then I'll feel comfortable. Apex. I want to show my profit at least. Let's see. Control V. So this is just my one account for today, 322, and then
Getting the job done.
thanks for the follow.
Grit,
Hey, it's Vinny.
It takes
It's cousin
hard
Vinny.
and it's not easy, but the right tool makes it easier. Gamblers, you work hard for a living. So
Yeah,
we
so
work hard
322 for Apex. We're trying to pass
You
this
can't
one.
hide what makes NJM Insurance so great. Although some may try. We're proud to put policyholders first. No
I do
jingles
have
or
my PA
mascots,
accounts, but
just
I
great
want to
insurance.
pass this
NJM.
one because it was $17 to purchase it, and then they whack you with like 60% more after the first month. So just be careful of that if you bought that. So it is expensive. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, daddy. Whoa, daddy. What the fuck are you gonna do here, buddy? I don't know. I don't know. If it probably comes down, touches this, it's probably gonna launch up like a springboard. But this is very, very, very tight, like a tiger. I'm trying to find something that I like that's not copyright. This is like pulling teeth here. Deep chill house, synthwave, EDM, Christmas, anime. Arcade music. I think like the trap one I always go to. It's really good. Let's try the dubstep one. All right, so this came down. I'm gonna do a little scalp here.
But he's let his own dental
Order
care
filled.
take a backseat. Time for a shift. Because Aspen Dental offers
Order
same-day
filled.
appointments
Little
and
scalp.
50%
Let's see if it
off
bounces
treatment
off of
plans
these.
for everyone, making it
If
easier
not,
to get
then we'll
started
take the
with
loss, but
quality care.
it is what it is. But I think it wants to jump. It's only one contract. We're wrong, we're wrong. But ooh, this kind of goes below it. We'll have to be careful here, because this could be the drop that we were waiting for. I don't know. I don't know. So choppy. I mean, this was just a pullback bounce guess, but I think we're good. assume that it would at least go to here. Moving hardcore dead dubstep. Jeez. $790s is like probably more of the guarantee. For the scalp. So it's updating here. This is the 5. Let's see how it reacted to on that 5. It closed below it, so I actually so when I go over these in like past, because I'm still learning this strategy. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but when it closes below this, your stop loss is kind of like up here, and it can still fucking plummet. And right now, this is probably gonna tell us what it's gonna do. Right above this cloud. If this closes above the 5-minute cloud, then you know, we could go up. But if this goes below, we got 2 minutes left. No, it's not a lot of money, but it's very choppy, so I'd rather take my one-hitters and let it just build up.
Order filled.
Grow thicker, fuller hair in as few as 3 to 6 months with the doctor trusted
Order
ingredients. Hims prescription.
All right. Top set filled. Apex filled. We're doing all right. We're doing all right. Slow and steady. Right, Powers? If you're there trading. Slow and steady. Oh, I got some YouTube people and some Twitch. That's some hard platforms to grow on, guys. How does it sound over there on YouTube? And Twitch. Tight box. Tight box. So what is it, 7 seconds left? So this is confused. This is confused in what it wants for sure. This closed below the 5-minute cloud and then pulls up and closes above it again. Holy shit. Very hard to trade. Yeah, we just gotta just chill and look what's going on first. I don't know. Like I said, this kind of throws me off here. Let me see if it did it down here at all. It did. But then it eventually just fell down. So, and here we are again. We're gonna test the same fucking theory, guys. Same theory. Right into all this resistance. You can even maybe scalp it, but I don't know. This is the what, the 4th time? Well, it looks like it wants to bounce again. I don't know. I'm going to do a small one, very small scalp to 789. Very small.
Order filled.
Is it recording?
Just because it's getting so tight.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Just the small ones, you know. It'll add up.
Restreams, upload and stream is how podcasters, fashion and beauty streamers, fitness coaches, even business professionals grow their channels. Upload your video to Restream and we'll stream it live to YouTube, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, wherever you want. The algorithms love live videos and engagement, so you get more views, more subscribers, and yup, more money. So let Restream get to work while freeing you to generate fresh ideas. Restreams, upload and stream for creators who stream smarter.
Wait to it.
This is Venue 3. It knows that today is a perfect day to be active, and that...
Hey, if you guys don't mind, just give me a couple hearts on TikTok. I want to see if it like changes or boosts it. Wow, this is some tight shit. This is super tight, guys. I'm sorry, I can't really trade this yet. We have to wait. See how gold's doing. Wow, gold's killing it. A lot of winners in these shorts here. This is a bounce, baby.
That's loud.
Jesus, tight, man.
wondered how the world's currencies are traded? The foreign exchange market, also known as the Forex market, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. It's a marketplace where currencies from all over the globe are bought and sold in pairs. A currency pair is a quote that shows the value of one currency in relation to another. For example, the British pound against the US dollar is one of many currency pairs that can be traded with Forex.com. The value of individual currencies change over time, often second to second, and speculative traders can take advantage of these changes by buying and selling at the appropriate times in order to make a profit. However, as the market is constantly fluctuating and can move against you at any time, this can also result in losses. What drives the value of currencies? Interest rates and inflation are two of the most important factors. The value of an individual currency will also reflect the demand for it. Traders can profit from the fluctuations between currencies as they strengthen or weaken relative to one another. The Forex market is by far the largest, most liquid market in the world. In fact, it's larger than all the other global financial markets combined. Every day, trillions of dollars are exchanged on the Forex market.
Swing underneath the twilight. glasses, guys. We're still just waiting. I don't have anything to trade.
So handsome.
I think. Oh, I can't buy this. What's wrong?
Hang on there. Actually, you can. Your Empower investment accounts are designed for the long haul, and this whole off-whitish cantaloupe thingy is really working for you. So.
I don't even know if I'm talking. Can you hear me? I'm not really talking. Can you hear me? Chuck? Mr. Chucky? The market is extremely dead right now, and I'm not sure what to, You still can't hear me? Okay. I'm pulling my leg, bro. Pulling my leg, let's see. 3 channels live. Hello, hello. You still can't hear me? Pulling my leg, bro. I'll turn up my voice. Should be better. Yeah, I'm just messing with you, Chucky. Should be better. Yeah, I'm just messing with you, Chucky. So that was the first movement that we've had to break. It might just bounce up again. Should we just bounce? Maybe we'll just try it. And then we'll see if it comes up. Here's our mic. It should be good. Mic test. Should be good. Mic test. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna see if this wants to bounce up again. It's kind of a gamble play, but I'm okay with it. Alright, we're gonna see if this wants to bounce up again. It's kind of a gamble. They say illiterate. Illiterate.
Problem solved. Fiverr's got talented freelancers for anything we need.
Yeah! The team kept growing their business with Fiverr freelancers handling a variety of tasks. Sam was promoted after introducing Fiverr into their workflow. And Eric? Well, he got fired after overfeeding the boss's fish. Hire a freelancer today and start your own success story.
Surprised nothing is moving at all. What should happen is if it wipes this low flag area, then we can start to look for an upside move. But until then, there we go. It was probably a bond buyback move. I mean, we could just buy this low. Oh, no, it kind of moved up. It's a little slow on that one. How much did I make today? 450 plus whatever this is. A little bit of a slow day. When it's just not there, you don't want to force the trades. You don't want to force it. We have to see on where this closes. If this makes any kind of fair value gap, then we're gonna fucking rip it. But nope, it fucking closed. It closed. I still don't think it knows what it wants to do. Why are you curious, Sweep Science? Every day is a hitter. You know, you gotta judge it on what it's giving you. Some days you can make a lot of money. Some days you can make 700. Some days you can be negative 1,000 or more. It's all about money management. This might want to go down more. So, like, I don't want to get stuck in this. Should have bought this fucking bottom, though. Just wants to go lower, I'm cool with it. I'll get out. But I don't know if it wants to go lower or not. It's so fucking choppy. But it finally see that it broke through, and then it just fucking fell.
The number one broker in the U.S. and unlock the tools, platform, and
That was a great pullback zone too, right here. If we want to reject this area, then we could probably see more to the downside, but we gotta see. There's just a lot of resistance up here. Dibs.
Order filled.
There we go. Dude, it's just a little fishy, you know, the way it goes down and back up. But I don't see... Oh, I do see it here. But this is really high. I guess it could go up higher.
Order filled.
Again, just some little quick scalps because it's very choppy.
Order filled.
Welcome back. Your flag's been on point. Better. What do you mean?
Slow is smooth, smooth is fast.
Anything else?
Try
Or you mean these flags? It depends on how choppy it is. That's when it can do it. So I mostly use it more of a, hey, this is near, depending on how aggressive it is. So the more aggressive it is, the better I can pinpoint these flags. But now we're going right to the zone here. Let's see what happens here. Maybe we can get a buy. Are you talking about these? The yellow flags? Yeah, I've been tweaking it slowly. Alright, this starts going above. Well, let's see, we got 30 seconds left. No, I can't even say that. It's too early to say this one. Next candle, though, depending on what happens here. Very small. No, it's too late. It closed already. Oof. Didn't close above yet, so if it starts moving above, then I want in. How do I why am I get stupid all of a sudden? Buy. But if it want to rips down like that, I'm cool with buying that huge rip down to buy the dip. See if it goes just a little bit lower. I'm sure it's probably the bond buyback thing. If this could go down to here, be sweet. VWAP is all the way down here. I might buy a dip if it rips down a little bit more, like more aggressive. There you go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nothing crazy. Maybe like back up to the 60 ones. If it wants to go down lower, it's okay. I can handle it. I'm just wondering if it wants to touch this into the VWAP.
Order filled. Order filled.
It's looking like it wants to go up more, but that was just for the quick bounce. So if anything, we want to wait for this area to get touched again into the yellow, and then see if we can short it. Unless it just starts ripping down a lot, then we can start buying the dip again. Right into there. Let's see what happens. So it's looking heavy again. So this doesn't know what it wants. Doesn't know what it wants. Down, down, down. Right to VWAP would be really cool. We'll try to do a balance right off of that. That would be a pretty good spot. How often do I live stream? It's different every week. I have a career job, but I work 4 on and then 4 off. So this week will be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Next week will be I'm trying to think. Thursday and Friday, and then so on. And then some weeks I'm on the whole 4 or 5. And in summertime, I'm on vacation a lot, so I will be streaming a lot. And if not, you can join my Discord. If I'm not live, I will be at least texting in there. If anybody wants to listen to me text and see what I see. What does this want, man? I mean, it's the end of the day, too. Where's your Discord? I'll post it. I'll post it. I gotta get this bigger. I would love to just stream in Discord. All those other shit's really annoying. Well, it's weird because like I was blowing up on TikTok and then all of a sudden just stopped. I linked it. If you just copy and paste that, it will you can paste it in YouTube if you want. I mean Google, it should pop up too. Adding the MACD to my trading and a little more things, it helps for the first few hours. The last hour I have to learn to stop in between. Yeah, sometimes the indicators will switch up. The more volume there is, the more, what am I trying to word? Confluence? The more that it'll work. So if you were to, and you do not have to get my indicator, I don't really care, but see how it's gray here? That will not work in this. And MACD is kind of lagging, so be careful with that. You can use it as another option, but like my indicators, I figured out ways where they don't lag. It's kind of the secret. All right, big denial there. Wow, that was huge. All right, I'm going to take this.
Order filled.
Want to keep your hairline where it is? Through Hims.com, you can explore a range of options that work best for you, so you can grow visibly thicker and fuller hair in just 3 to 6 months. Keep it looking strong for years to come with doctor-trusted ingredients like finasteride, minoxidil, and a blend of supplements that support healthy hair. 3 in 4 Hims customers say they wish they started using hair treatment earlier. Get ahead now to keep the hair you love. Get started today at Hims.com.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's get it. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. We have to be careful. Sometimes volume dies at 4. I thought it was a couple of minutes left. Man, that fucking missed my shit by like a point. Chuck, that's you? Shot. Money shot? Oop. That's a controversial name there, buddy. So I put in non-copyright music and then dubstep popped up, so I tried it this time. I usually try the other one. This one's fucking some serious dubstep here. Will you just go down, you mother effer? You got me with that one. Man, does this want it or what? I don't want it to die down because it's fucking 4 o'clock, guys. No earnings. I mean, good ones at least. You got Tilly's. Coca-Cola? Yeah, I don't see anything crazy. Alright, shot. Later, man. Thanks for joining. Ooh, is this like the double bottom? I might have to fucking get out of this. Not feeling this one. Skip. Let's see what happens here. I really thought it wanted fucking VWAP. At least to touch it. This is fucking... This is pretty bananas, this price action though. Look at it. I'm okay with it though, as long as it goes, like, you know, a little bit in one direction. There you go. Just a little bit. Remember, this could be another zone too. Oh boy. I somehow have a 93% win streak today. That's pretty damn good. I got an 80% win streak out of 190 trades. Might have to fucking might have to pin that baby. Pretty fucking impressive. I don't care. Do 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 do. This is 1 week of data. 1 week of trades.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. I feel like this wants to come down.
Market is closed. The foreign exchange market, also known as the Forex market, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. It's a marketplace where currencies from
Order filled.
Ooh, my top set filled. I always keep forgetting about Top Step X, guys. They close at 14. Get the fuck out of this. I knew it. As soon as 4 o'clock in the death volume. Yeah, it depends on what it is. Those other days have been mostly earnings coming out. There's not much coming out today. Usually 4 o'clock is dead. Everybody's leaving. Just close above. That's no good. No good. Am I gonna be wrong? Are you? Fucking great. Milk that, baby. It's free. Slow and steady. Bro, you get money out of that? You won. You won for sure. Alright, so this is going really slow up here, so I'm going to see if this is now I'm going to deny. Alright, another kind of rejection there. Needs to go below this. If it stays above here, I won't like it because it might squeeze up. This is really wicky. I might even put it up here then. Just to get me out. If you were to take this as it would be no good, and I wouldn't recommend anyway because after 4, but candles closed above the cloud, so invalid. It can still go down, but we don't take those. See what else this guy got. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness. Might not get it, guys. Might not get it. Just trying to get out of the trade. Here we almost there.
Order filled.
Get me the fuck out of this. Alright, we're up almost about 900 bucks. Pretty good. I'll take it. It was very choppy today. Alright. Alright, guys. We're done for today. We will be on tomorrow. I don't want to badmouth TikTok, but fucking A. That thing's annoying as shit. Alright, good day. I'll be on tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. to around probably like 11:30. And then we'll be back on for Power Hour, at least. Well, depends. Alright, guys. Have a good night. Maybe I might get on tonight. I don't know. We'll see. For now, adios.